well, nearly over. Crane action going on there, just want to record that. Two men in the cradle. Quite windy as well, so good brave blokes, I think. It's quite a height. And they're still going up. They've stopped. They've stopped. I know the scale, that's how high they are. That, I feel, is quite interesting up there. Right, I've really got to go for my tea now, guys, so sorry about this, but I'll do some more diaries tomorrow. Just zoom out again. There we go, right. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.